everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing fantastic today. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about one of my favorite topics, how to keep your house clean. I've been getting a lot of questions regarding this, so today I am finally gonna answer your questions. I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how you can keep your house clean and organized as well. Make your bed right away in the morning. You get out of bed, make your bed. This will stop you and your kids from diving back in bed and snuggling. Start a load of laundry every day, especially if you have a big family or if you have kids. You know that laundry does tend to pile up. So start the washing machine every day. Even if you load up the washing machine the night before, have everything set. So in the morning before you go downstairs, all you have to do is turn it on. Empty your dishwasher right away when they're done. Even if you don't have time to load the dishwasher back up with dirty dishes, just get it empty. You will thank yourself later on, and every little bit counts. Clean as you're cooking. You have your pot on, your meal is cooking. Pick up the food scraps, any recycling that needs to go out, do some dishes, clean around the stovetop, wipe down your counters. So by the time your meal is ready to go, your kitchen is nice and clean as well. Leave your shoes at the door. Do not bring your shoes inside. Shoes are dirty. Have a shoe rack if you need in the garage or outside of the door. Leave your shoes on the rack before you step inside. Deal with any mail, bills, or paperwork right away. Don't let these build. Deal with it on the spot. Clean as you go. And this goes for any area in the house. Shoes off onto the rack right away. Coats in the closet, bags in the closet. Load up your dishwasher right away. Dirty dishes directly into the dishwasher. When the dryer is done, take out the clothes and fold them right away. Clean up spills right away. Don't let them lay around for later. Same goes for the kids. Teach them to pick up their toys or any activity when they're done. Get them to hang up their coats, put their shoes on the rack, put their school bag back into the closet. Even get them to put their dirty clothing into the hamper or directly into the washing machine. Instill this good work ethic in your children at a very young age. Have a place for everything in your home. So the first thing you need to do is declutter and get rid of anything that you haven't used in a while, you don't use, and you don't plan on using. Then we need to organize. You can organize using bins, over the door, organizers, closet organizers, under the bed, storage bags or containers. A lot of these items can be found at your local dollar store and they're inexpensive. Put things back where they belong. Don't just throw it wherever you find a spot. It takes 10 seconds to go and put the item back where it belongs. Never go from one room to another empty-handed. Always make sure you have something in your hand. So if you're downstairs and you see dirty socks lying in the corner, grab them before you go upstairs and chuck them into the washing machine. There will always be something lying around that doesn't belong in that room. Take out some time every night, whether it's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes, whatever you can afford. Take out that time and do some cleaning, do some organizing, whatever you need to do. The best place to do all of this is when the kids are asleep. So this is my time at night. I fold laundry if it needs to be folded. I finish cleaning up in the kitchen. I lay out Summit's clothing for school the next day. I get some prep done for his lunch. And this is also a good time for myself. A little bit of me time happens. This is also a good time to tackle any emails or paperwork that needs to get done. I'm like a night owl, so I know many of you out there are just like me. So this is a good time for me to even clean my floors. I will actually clean my floors at night when the kids are asleep. Cleaning bathrooms. I do a lot of my cleaning and organizing at this time. This leaves me with enough space in the daytime to dedicate to my kids, because during the day is super busy, super hectic with taking these kids to school, picking them up, taking them to activities, trying to cook up some nutritious meals for the kids, spend some time with the kids. Get the kids to help around the house as much as possible. This can be anything from dusting, emptying the dishwasher, any little thing like asking them to grab something from the refrigerator for you, picking up after themselves. There's no I in team. It's a team effort. Summit loves to help me out around the house. Sometimes it may seem like with the kids helping out that the whole process might seem a little bit slower. And it is sometimes, but you're teaching your kids to be efficient, to be independent, to be strong, and to take responsibility. You're setting them up for success. So this next rule is my number one rule. I get a lot of people that come over and say, wow, Deesh, how do you keep your white cupboards white? How are your walls so clean and your furniture so clean when you have kids? My answer is always that the kids have to sit down at the table and eat. Don't let them wander around with those cute little hands covered in pasta sauce or curry and massaging their hands all over your furniture, the walls, your white cabinets. Don't let them do that. Not only are you teaching your kids awesome table manners, but you're keeping your place clean and your mind at peace. Make a weekly cleaning schedule. So most people that do have organized or clean houses do have weekly cleaning schedules, even daily or monthly cleaning schedules. There are many templates that you can download. You'll find them online, or you can just go to the store and purchase a planner like I have here. I have a planner. I use this for any important meetings, appointments, but also for my daily cleaning. So let's see here. What do we have? We have February here. So they have the individual days like this. So I use this side for any appointments or meetings that I have. And then they have this more detailed section, which I use for my daily cleaning schedule, anything that needs to get done in the day. So you can get this at any store, any stationery store, online as well. You can make a cleaning schedule according to what's convenient to you. Monday might be, for example, Monday might be a kitchen day. So you do clean the kitchen, behind the stove, behind the appliances, inside the cupboards, the refrigerator. Tuesday might be living room. Wednesday might be the bedrooms. Thursday might be dusting and floors. Friday could be bathrooms. Saturday could be laundry day. Whatever works for you and your family, go by that. I hope that I was able to provide you with more information on how you too can keep your house clean, tidy, and organized. I did try to answer as many questions as possible as I could in this video. If you do have any more questions, you can ask in the comment section below and I will definitely answer them. I hope you found this informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, take care, guys.